Well, yeah, it looks like what it is because it is what it is. I've been working on this again. I didn't film it because you saw how I did it on the original video. I think it was day one of the Bronco refurb I did a while ago, but I put another throttle position sensor. Here's the culprit right here. So the original one might have been good. This new one, I don't know if you can see here. Let's see if I can get it where you can see it in the light. There's a crack on it. It's not supposed to have a crack. It's not someone's rear end. It's a magnet there that I think produces the proper voltage or whatever for the throttle position sensor to tell the cluster, gauge cluster, the speedometer and the tachometer, hey, send this signal on down to the transmission so it'll shift properly. Well, when it's plugged in, it doesn't want to shift properly. So I went back and put the original on. I got a new one just in case. I put the original one back on it though, and it was not cracked or anything like that. I had already replaced the intermittent air controller, the IAC. Got it all back together. I'm draining the battery down. Not draining the battery down, but I'm draining out the memory of the computer by completely disconnecting both the positive and the negative terminal. I'm going to get a better terminal on that. I've got one somewhere that's a better quick release. And then while that's disconnected, I'm running my good old camping supply trickle charger. It's just a little solar trickle charger on the Bronco's battery, just so we're not losing any kind of ability to start. Anyway, just a really quick update of what I'm doing. I want to show you this. See this old thing here, this old piece of cooling system here? I believe that's called the accumulator. I've got a brand new one of those. I got a brand new tube, the whole hose, everything, orifice tube they call it. I've got a brand new compressor. But first, I had an idea. Maybe it hadn't been working all this time because I realized this connector over on this side, right back here, was a little loose, and there's no coolant inside. So I've got a vacuum pump, all that good stuff. I'm going to draw a vacuum down on it, see if it'll hold for 30 minutes. If it'll hold vacuum for 30 minutes, I'm then going to evacuate everything out of it, put in some O-ring oil and sealer, and then I'm going to pump it full of coolant, see if we can't just get the AC working as it sits with basic slight maintenance, Anyway, that's kind of what's going on with me on the day after Independence Day. What are you doing on the day after Independence Day? Hey, drop it down in the comments. Let us know. I'm probably about done for the day, but who knows? We'll see y'all.